Okay, we're gonna start this one at this little temple right here, and then we're gonna walk down this street right here, and I'll tell you the name of the street in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna start at this street. There's a little temple here, and there's let's just see if we can get into it a little bit. Step in. And I think we're gonna just step out into the street right here. Okay, so we're gonna walk straight down the street, and we'll just show you what's all in this area. So let's go down. Follow the sun. It's kind of sunny down that way. So that's this temple right here that we're just at. I'll give you a street sign in a minute. Little restaurant. I like the way the windows are in the corner like that. So some noodles and such. Okay. So straight this way is Macao. And we'll just give you the name of the streets right here. So we're gonna follow Rua de Enrique Macedo, and we'll just see what we can see. Barbershop, lingerie. Okay, so the Mercado is to the left, then to the right. Oh, you kind of want to go up the street. So actually we're gonna go up this escalator. So that looks kind of cool too. So this one right here is the, kind of reminds me of the mid-levels in Hong Kong. I thought we were going to walk down that street, but actually this is so much cooler. Maybe we'll just kind of walk down some of these little alleys, or at least show you what they look like a little bit. It's really cool. All those houses like that. Okay. You can also see like there's a little temple in the back of this place too, right? So okay, we're just gonna go up this a little bit. We'll focus on the sides and see what we see. So here's a facial tattoo design. Facial tattoo. Huh. Facial tattoo design. But it looks like it's more like acupuncture and... Oh, I see. Facial, so it's more like tattoos to keep your eyeshadow on and lipstick and things like that. So, okay. So this one is called Rua da Sorpresa. So we're gonna follow Rua da Sorpresa and we'll see what we can see. So Rua da Sorpresa. Got a little spaghetti, pasta. Maybe we'll just check out some of these alleys as we go up as well. Rua da Macao. Got a little alley. So this is where we just came from. Kind of reminds me of the... Oh, there's the Lisboa casino straight ahead down this little alley. I'm going to keep on going up. Some morning pictures. Let's kind of check that out a little bit. It's kind of cool, right? Okay, so let's keep on going up. And I will probably just end it at the top here. So these are kind of the up levels, mid levels, I mean. There's a little wheel. Sign right there too. And we're straight going towards the bus. Lisboa, mid-levels, and okay, that's a Farmacia, Guia Farmacia, and maybe I'll just go a little bit further and just kind of give a conclusion for this particular video. Got a music shop straight ahead, ukuleles and such, and let's see. Then we got this. So that's basically a whole other video in itself.
Chiquinha,